SPX Flow's China factory, located in Shanghai, is a full-scale manufacturing campus offering production, engineering, service and distribution, as well as a research and development innovation center to support China, Asia Pacific, and all of our global businesses. The 20,000 square meter facility is comprised of more than 10 production lines for sanitary components and systems. Following lean production protocols and environmental safety regulations, daily manufacturing, assembly, inspections, and logistics ensure on-time delivery of high-quality products. The facility leverages the expertise available throughout SPX Flow's global network. These resources help our customers around the world stay competitive and succeed in their fast-changing markets. Our manufacturing capabilities have been continuously enhanced since the facility opened in 2005. The valve production area produces manual and automatic butterfly valves, single and double seat valves, pneumatic actuators, flanges, bodies, seats, and other components in-house to ensure the best quality. Many of SPX Flow's premier centrifugal and rotary pump products are also manufactured here to provide fast, local delivery at competitive prices. Homogenizer Production expanded to the China facility in 2015 to provide local support to customers in the region. The full APV homogenizer range is both manufactured and tested here to ensure a wide selection of units are available based on application requirements. Other products and systems engineered and manufactured in Shanghai include UHT plants, pasteurizer units, continuous sugar dissolvers, CIP systems, valve manifolds, and many others deliver industry-leading solutions to food, dairy, and beverage producers in the region. Ongoing operational investments such as upgrading machining and welding processes help meet global food safety standards to provide our customers with peace of mind. The China Center also manufactures our world-renowned Lightnin brand mixers and spare parts for highly demanding mixing applications within the Asia-Pacific market. Our full range of SPX Flow plate heat exchangers, which meet stringent pressure vessel quality standards from across the globe, are assembled and tested here as well. With annual production capacity exceeding 1 million plates, customers can be assured of quick delivery times to help keep their processes running. Our heat exchangers are produced to precise specifications, helping customers produce aseptically processed products that meet the latest food safety standards. The China campus also contains a distribution and highly advanced innovation center to support collaborative partnerships with our customers to help deliver leading-edge technologies in a timely manner. Our distribution facility stocks a robust selection of replacement parts in order to provide 48-hour turnaround to help reduce downtime. All orders and inventory control are managed efficiently through an advanced ERP system. The Innovation Center is one of many within the SPX Flow network and helps our customers efficiently and accurately test new products and formulations on a pilot scale. Our center is equipped with leading process technologies for mixing, centrifugal separation, homogenization, pasteurization, UHT sterilization, CIP cleaning, and many others. With the help of SPX Flow specialists, you can turn your ideas into commercially scalable products that satisfy the demands of your target markets. Offering high-quality equipment and collaborative process innovation in a timely manner makes SPX Flow your proven long-term partner for success. Contact SPX Flow today to learn more.